now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
All right, definitely some good advice in that story there. Also, people who head out maybe to the Drillers game in less than an hour, need to be careful out there.
It's going to be hot.
It's going to be hard to find shade
Yeah.
for the first pitch at noon, but you really need to do what you can to keep yourself cool. You're going to fry if you go to the Drillers game today.
Unless you're in a luxury box.
There you go. Turn up the AC.
That's the way to watch today's game.
96 degrees for the first pitch out at One Oak Field in downtown Tulsa. The wind is going to be light, so you're not going to have much of a breeze to cool you off either, and also you will be playing the Springfield Cardinals. Now, here are your numbers for today. 96 at noon, 102 at 3, and 103 degrees at 5 p.m. If you're just in town, if you're just coming into Tulsa, welcome to summertime. Right now, looking live out over I-44, 93 degrees. Taft Price, he's also in working today, and he's kind of pointing out the wind. Anytime you see a southwest wind, especially this time of year, it's not good for the temperature. It means it's going to be that much hotter as somewhat drier air tries to make its way on in. Bottom line, there's not a lot of wind out there, but when you have a light southwest wind sometimes during the summer, it can get really hot. In fact, Bristow already at 96 degrees. Mid-90s into Ponca, Stillwater, Coffeyville, 93, 91 Grove. So the trend not quite as warm in far eastern Oklahoma, but we're all still going to be making a run toward 100 today. Here are the winds. Right now the wind is from the west and southwest, barely strong enough to measure. It's only near 5 miles an hour, and that's about all the wind we're going to get for today. So this map alone shows you that it's going to be a hot day across Green Country. Viper 2 HD is not showing any rain in Tulsa County. We're going to be staying dry today. The nearest rain, which is going to develop to Tulsa, is going to form off to our east. Now, there's somewhat of a weak cool front through parts of Missouri and Arkansas, and the closer you get to that front, combined with the heat and the terrain, a few thunderstorms will try and form during the heat today, but the rain coverage will be fairly low. This looks like a blank weather map, this satellite view. Hardly any clouds to be found out there. This is also the time of year whenever this high pressure area moves in. We're talking about an area of high pressure up in the sky, just kind of presses down on top of you, helps to squish all the clouds. It also helps to deflect the big storm systems up and over Oklahoma. When this weather pattern moves in, it doesn't move out. It basically stays in place, might break down from time to time and kind of meander, but once the summer heat moves in, you're basically stuck with the 100-degree temperatures, and that's kind of what we're dealing with right now. Futurecast for today, well, without the lack of clouds and rain, it looks almost like a blank map as well. We'll have a light wind. You can see some areas of green. These are a few thunderstorms toward Missouri and Arkansas that'll try to get going during the heating of the day. That rain will then diminish tonight and will for tomorrow, basically about the same forecast. It's trying to show isolated thunderstorms developing in southeastern Oklahoma, and the coverage would be isolated at best. So it's pretty much a dry forecast. High today, 103 with a light wind and sunshine, ozone alert, heat advisory in effect, all that kind of good stuff going on today. Highs around the rest of Green Country also over 100. And then coming up for tonight, warm. We'll see lows in the 70s across the area. Now, the 7-day forecast, each day this week, we're going to make a run toward a high temperature. The record high is either 105 or 106 each day this week. We'll see lows in the 70s. We have some visitors in town kind of working on our computer systems. They're looking at these graphics and thinking, whoa, is Oklahoma really this hot this time of year? It's just moving in a little bit early.
Yep. The heat is breaking the computers, maybe, isn't it?
No kidding. It could.
So do what you can to keep yourself cool.
Be safe.
No,
All right,
for sure. Thanks, George.